The eccentric heel elevated step up is one of my favorite drills to really master the step up, and elevating the heel will increase the range of motion at the hip and the knee and also target your lower quads or VMO more. It also puts you in a position as if you were doing a step up more towards the front of the foot or toes or forefoot, which is how you'll tend to do stairs and other types of drills. It's very difficult to do any sort of stair climbing on the flat foot or heel situation, right? So it actually helps prepare you for the demands of that, but it does increase the knee stress, which is why we have to emphasize slow, controlled eccentric training in the beginning. So one thing, just be mindful. You know, I don't want you to do your first rep and crush your skull or hurt your neck, so just pay attention to the ceiling height here. But I'm going to just stand up, and I recommend a pair of 2.5 to 5 pound up to 10 pound light weights for counterbalance as you reach. It'll allow you to sit taller and deeper, better form and technique, more upright trunk, more quad stress, and also squeeze these handles hard. This creates an irradiation effect that adds more stability to your whole body. So do a big exhale at the top, and then slowly inhale down for 3 to 5 seconds. Now, right about that halfway point, you're gonna wanna start to go faster or plot. That's where you have to really fight. I come all the way down, nice and quiet, and then I will step through and repeat. Now, if you find yourself really plopping at the bottom, you can just adjust to a lower box height. And consider too, when I elevate the heel, it's automatically an increase the height of the box than you would be normally using. So just pay attention to that. It might be a little more challenging in the beginning. So just really emphasize going slow and staying tall. Empty it all the way out so we can get an inhale completely all the way down. Right there, fight for it. And if you can start to add like a little hover hold before you touch, it's even better. And if you need to, you can get rid of this, and you can see how much, that's more of a top thigh parallel versus when I do the heel elevated. You can see the hip creases beneath the knee crease, which again, better stretch, better gains, more bulletproofing there as well. But be slow, be controlled, and the counterbalance helps tremendously. Trust me on that.